Alright, alright, so currently at Saigon Center on the top rooftop bar. This place is insane. Just take a look around you and take a look at this whole view. It's like I'm almost like in this alternate universe, and I guess this is what it must mean if we had super rich people. They had a super crazy wealth. So it's kind of pretty amazing because like we feel like you're on top of the whole world just looking around. And even if you just turn you around and just look at all the landscape.
Where they're building the subway. Yeah.
Oh, so they're building the subway here. Whoa. So just look up, look down, look left, look right. Yeah, so it just kind of proves to you that like you're on top of the freaking world. All the construction. Yeah, so if you want to essentially live like a baller, come to Saigon Center, eat the duck. It's very good. Eat the offal stew. Enjoy the view.